also just shot flames too.
So nice to have the fifth gen on the lifting end.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's going on with this thing?
Cam package, injectors, and heat exchanger.
Make your Facebook official yet, sir, or what?
Facebook official? No. I didn't update my Facebook status yet.
I told you it's not real unless you do it.
Whoop.
Uh-oh. Making a damn mess.
Yeah, that's what I am in mops. What kind of heat exchanger you got in your car?
Huh?
What kind of heat exchanger? Sick.
Level 2 heat exchanger for Boost District.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. Level 2, I'll have you know.
That sounds pretty good.
It is the level 2 one.
Not as good as level 3 though.
Well, there wasn't the level 3. Mine's the highest level.
Oh.
It's kind of a big deal.
Is it? What's the IT's looking like?
Hot as
Yeah.
hot
Yeah. Yeah?
as hot as
What are they after?
I don't know, but terrible.
No.
Because I got that tiny little coolant tank that sits in the engine bay. I think this might be the first 5th gen ZL1 I've seen you work on.
Really?
I've seen you do, I think 2 Vs now, but I don't think I've seen you work on a ZL1 yet. Do you like the 5th gen?
Yeah.
Well, I guess working on them, more so?
Yeah. Easy.
A lot more room in the engine bay than the V.
Oh my
Yes.
God.
How's this thing coming along, Kyle?
Good or bad? It's 5 minutes ago and you came in and watched if you came.
Yeah.
In the oil pump.
Why don't you do an LSA on your Camaro versus a Pro Charger?
Pro Charger's easier.
To install?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought that. What you got there?
ATI.
It's in multiple pieces?
It's always in multiple pieces.
Stock ones like that?
Held it. No. It's aftermarket.
Oh, okay. Well, I've never seen one.
Oh yeah, it's super different.
No, I've never seen one of these aftermarket ones.
World's only tunable, rebuildable, 2-in-1 harmonic balancer.
Wow.
Yeah.
See, sounds like you read the brochure.
It's right there.
Nice.
The ATI's made it a lot easier for changing lower pulleys, sizes and stuff like that for blower cars.
That's pretty badass.
It just screws on the bolt here. You can change different ring sizes.
Yeah, I think so. I've never seen that. That is really cool. What size?
Lower?
Lower, I guess.
917.
What size
Says
is the
it.
stock one?
The stock one? Oh, I think it's the stock one and measure it.
Is this it?
No. Yeah. I think that might be. I think so. That's not the one on this, but I think it is an LSA one. That's larger.
Oh, okay, so quite a bit.
Yeah.
Quite a bit larger.
Yeah. It's not changing up a pulley size, but it's really helpful.
Would you just take the bolt in and out twice for?
I use an LS7 bolt to push the balancer on LS3s, and then that one going all the way. So then you use the old LS3 bolt to run the new dampener all the way in, and then now once it's pressed on all the way, you put the new bolt in.
Okay, gotcha.
Because you have to put a new bolt because they torque the yield, so you have to replace the bolt every time you take one out.
Gotcha.
So just use the old one and run them in.
What is it?
New heat exchanger. Oh, the fans on it.
Big old aftertaste sticker.
Real big. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I haven't done one with fans yet.
So you got the lid all thrown on, the reinforced brick.
Yep. Engine portion is done. Gotta do the heat exchanger. Put all that stuff back together and ready to go.
Can I ask you something? I'm not sure if you'll know the answer to this off the top of your head, but what is like the limit for these like the bricks in the lid as far as boost goes?
I couldn't tell you that.
Don't know.
Because after a certain point, like the blower itself will get too hot. You just like go to cool it down. It's like really like ice tanks and stuff like that. So I don't know how much boost that is. Probably don't know when these get super hot.
Is that what causes the brick to collapse?
Again, don't know. You can see if it would, but I think maybe it's just a faulty just design. That's how they do it. I don't know.
Looks like it comes with some pretty detailed, nice instructions. A whole lot of pictures.
Colored pictures of that.
Yeah, colored. It's crazy.
That's insane, isn't it?
Nice when companies actually provide halfway decent instructions.
It really is.
Look at that.
You can't ask for anything better.
This thing's gonna.
This is the battle of the commands.
He is upset today, ain't he, Garrett?
Weird, do I sound upset now?
That was the worst blow up you've ever seen earlier, isn't it?
Yeah, you can take
No, that was yes.
No, I'm talking about the one that just happened earlier.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Garrett said my little tiff with that sensor last week was...
That was the biggest one I've ever seen you do, is what I said.
Yeah.
That was the worst.
I heard you got a little upset.
He said it was down to you and Matt for the largest blow up he's ever seen here. Kyle.
That is not what I said.
He said that one the other day before we went to lunch was probably one of the worst. Bullshit, Garrett. You said that. Matt even heard you.
Matt wasn't here.
No shit. You said it the other day. Remember we were going to ask Kyle about it? That says I have a bad memory. Jesus Christ.
Kyle, what kind of intake you got on your Camaro K&N?
No, the Corsa.
The Corsa one? Is it carbon fiber?
No. I got it because it was the cheapest one.
Okay. This isn't a big gulp, is it?
No.
Okay.
Hey, this is gonna work
I don't know
out
what
to
the
be pretty
difference
nice
between
now
them
that I figured out
is.
how this goes.
What, the big gulps are 5-inch? Are they 5-inch intakes?
It's gonna be pretty nice now.
I do not know. They're much larger. I know that.
Yeah, you have to be on 4 hockey.
He's getting all worked up.
You're a little worked up, bud.
Yeah, it's not.
What kind of bet did you lose that you had to save your face?
Alexa beat me in air hockey at Dave Buster's.
Well, that sounds
And this
fun.
one was like a month or so ago, but I told her I'm not doing it until after all the weddings we're doing. So, yeah, Saturday was the last wedding. So, yesterday was the day. So weird. I haven't shaved my face in probably over 3 years.
You do look significantly younger.
Yeah. I don't think I'm your age, at least. Look like I can go back to high school.
You look like you should be strolling the streets of UD right now.
I know.
Right, this thing is a 2014 ZL1. We did a cam package, lower balancer, ID 1050s, and AFCO heat exchanger with fans. And that's it. Let's go. So I just deleted the pull. .643, 609. Let's see if I can turn this fuel pump up a little bit actually, because it's dropping some pressure up top. Other than that, it looks pretty good though. .651, 602. Probably make one more and then let it cool. .656, 604, I'm gonna let it cool down. Right, let it cool down some, see what she does. Oh, did it go into reduced engine power? 662. 607 torque. .656. Alright, this thing's done. So 663 and 608. And it baselined, with this thing baseline, I think it's like run number 2. Now maybe 1? Yeah, 1. So 578. So picked up 85 horsepower with a cam and a pulley. Not bad. And it really only picked up like not even 2 pounds of boost, because it made 10 pounds of boost and now it makes like 11.8. Because obviously the cam will drop it some and then the pulley picks it back up. So a cam and like 1.5 pounds of boost picked up 85 horsepower. So pretty solid. Later.
Did you wear rubber, Garrett?
Probably were too.